Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. So to do it with your right hand, first you want to start with your tail end on the right side and your working end on the left side. You're going to take your tail end and cross it over your working end, just from right to left. The second step is you're going to take your right hand and lay it on top of where your tail end and working end cross over. You're going to take your left hand, get your thumb and index finger into that loop. Okay, then you're going to reach down and grab your working end to pull it through your first loop. Last step, you're going to grab your tail end and working end down here so you can see a little better. Your tail end's right here, your working end's right here. You're going to pinch both of those in between your thumb and index finger. Alright, you'll pull up with your left hand. Your loop should be on your thumb. And you're going to pull down with your right hand to tighten the loop. Alright, once your slip knot is done, you can just put your hook into the loop, and with your right hand pull the tail end, with your left hand pull the working end in opposite directions to tighten that loop onto your hook. And now if you want to make your slip knot while holding your yarn up in the air, so first what you want to do is get your yarn just laying over your thumb and index finger. Your tail end, let me pull this a little bit. Your tail end is going to be on the right, your working end is going to be on the left. Now you're going to come in and grab your tail end and your working end. You want to grab it in a way that you can twist and then come down and grab the working end. So however that is comfortable for you. For me, I grab my tail end with my thumb and index finger, and then with my middle finger I kind of press the working end against my index finger. So once you have your yarn in your hand kind of in a way that's comfortable for you, what you're going to do is lay your tail end on top of your working end, just like we did flat on the table, except for this time you're going to do it by rotating your hand, your right hand. So after you have your tail end on top of your working end, you're going to reach down and grab your working end. You want to make sure, of course, to grab your working end below this cross right here. So I'm going to pull it up a little higher. You're going to grab your working end below this little cross right here. So with your thumb and index finger on your left hand, you're going to grab your working end, pinch it, okay? Then you're gonna pull up a loop. Okay, so you're just pulling that bit of yarn that you have pinched between your fingers through this loop. Once you pull up a loop, we're going to pull up with our left hand and down with our right hand. Okay, and that is how you guys make a slip knot.